You've just made the first massive payment on your new home or car loan. You check the balance, expecting to see a satisfying dent, but it's barely moved. It's a shock many new homeowners face. What's going on? Welcome to the tug-of-war inside your loan. On one side, interest is trying to make your debt grow. On the other, your repayment is trying to shrink it. In the early years, the debt is so large that the interest charge is huge. Almost your entire payment is eaten up just covering that interest. Think of it like this. On a $1,000 loan at 10%, the first year's interest is $100. If you pay $200, your balance only drops to $900. But the next year, the interest is calculated on that new, lower balance. It's only $90. So that same $200 payment now reduces your debt by $110. Your money becomes more powerful over time. This is called a reducing balance loan. Today's balance depends on yesterday's. This recursive nature is why on a 30-year mortgage, the total interest paid can often be more than the price of the house itself. You essentially buy one house for you and one for the bank. But you can flip the script. Here's a simple trick. Instead of paying monthly, pay half your monthly amount every 2 weeks. There are 26 fortnights in a year, so you end up making 26 half payments. That's equivalent to 13 full monthly payments, not 12. You sneak in an extra payment every year without feeling the pinch. This one change can shave 5 to 7 years off a 30-year mortgage. Understanding how the game is played is the first step to winning it.